Structure strength of ADO e-bike. The frame is the core of each bicycle. It determines the geometry, supports the weight, and binds all the parts together securely. For ADO, a good frame must have considered the structure strength, safety, and optimal performance of the bike. Equally important is the bicycle fork, which connects the front tire of a bicycle to its frame. Sometimes it should absorb the energy of impact. That's the SGS test standard in ADO lab. We test the frame, fork, and the whole e-bike. Fatigue test. The frame is fixed on the test machine to simulate its condition, then loaded up and down vertically, and back and forth horizontally. 120,000 cycles of fatigue testing are performed in each direction. The load is recorded over a period, and a load time curve is generated by the test software. After the test, the frame with no cracks or fractures is passed by ADO lab standard. Falling frame impact test. As a manufacturer of e-bikes, we perform the test with the frame including fork under the load weight of 90 kilograms. During this shock test, the ADO frame with the fork falls from 30 centimeters height on hard ground. Falling weight impact test. Here is the ADO e-bike falling weight impact test. The frame and the fork are fixed on a single rail carrier, and a 22.5 kilograms object will be dropped from a height of 36 centimeters. Riding over obstacles and jumping are simulated in these two tests separately. If the frame cracked or broke after these two tests, the frame would not pass the test. Due to these strict tests, our frames, including fork, can be used for more than 10 years. Field test. ADO has 6 different test routes covering a total length of 60 kilometers. Every e-bike is tested intensively, no matter with or without the motor. Each e-bike was tested in depth, from its performance in cornering to its adaptability on hills, until finally the experience of riding without motor assistance. We calculate various individual records to the analysis of an overall score from the field test. Every ADO e-bike undergoes a strict test in the ADO laboratory and in the field. Thereby, the requirements are much greater than the required standards, so we can offer everyone the best performance and quality.